1. Wipe your feet on the mat before you come inside.
2. He let the air out of the balloon.
3. I like to dip my toast in my tea.
4. Could you watch my bags for me while I go to the washroom?
5. My jacket is so old. It's falling apart.
6. I picked up the book, and it fell apart in my hands.
7. Their marriage fell apart when she found about her husband's affair.
8. I warmed my hands against the bowl of hot soup.
9. You can soften the butter by warming it gently.
10. What flavor of ice cream do you like?
11. Wake me up at 5 in the morning.
12. You will dazzle oncoming drivers if you don't dip your headlights.
13. I was dazzled by the sunlight.
14. Can you pour juice into the glass without spilling it?
15. Don't eat the whole bag of sweets at once.
"16. He checked his appearance in the mirror."
"17. The tea is very hot, so sip it carefully."
"18. She cracked 2 eggs into a bowl."
"19. I am going outside to get some fresh air."
"20. Have the exam results come through yet?"